According to the National Electrical Code Section 250.118, all feeders supplying a panel board or circuit must have an equipment grounding conductor, often abbreviated as EGC. The EGC must be within the same raceway or cable as the supply conductors as stated in NEC Section 250.118 subsection 4. Liquid-tight flexible metal conduit, abbreviated as LFMC, does not provide a ground path. The best solution is to pull out the existing conductors and re-pull them into the LFMC with an added ground wire. Running a ground wire on the outside of the LFMC is not code compliant. When pulling a ground wire, ensure that the LFMC is sized appropriately for the number of conductors, including the ground wire. Use a fish tape or other pulling tool to pull the ground wire through the conduit. Connect the ground wire to the panel board enclosure and the neutral busbar or grounding electrode conductor. If the feeder is in an accessible location, it may be necessary to install a metal raceway cover over the LFMC to meet NEC 350.40 for protection from damage. Ensure that any connections are properly made and tightened according to NEC requirements. In summary, LFMC does not provide a ground path, and the code requires an EGC within the same raceway as the feeder conductors. The best solution is to pull out the existing conductors and re-pull them with an added ground wire.